Have you ever stopped to wonder where your food really comes from? I'm not talking about the grocery store shelf. I mean before that. Many of us picture a quaint farm or a cozy little kitchen. But the truth is, a lot of the delicious food we enjoy every single day comes from enormous bustling factories. These places are like giant kitchens, filled with amazing machines and clever processes. They take raw ingredients and transform them into the treats we know and love. It's a world of conveyor belts, giant mixers, and precise robots, all working together to make sure our food is tasty, safe, and ready to eat. Think about the sheer scale of it all. These factories don't just make one or two croissants, they can bake thousands in an hour. They don't just squeeze a few pineapples, they process millions of liters of juice. This incredible efficiency is what makes it possible for people all over the country, and even the world, to enjoy the same high-quality products. It's a symphony of science and engineering, carefully orchestrated to bring food from the farm to your table. Every step is meticulously planned, from washing the ingredients to sealing the final package. It's a fascinating journey that often goes completely unseen. The magic of the factory kitchen isn't just about speed and quantity, it's also about consistency. When you open a bottle of pineapple juice, you expect it to taste just as good as the last one you bought. Factories use precise measurements and controlled environments to guarantee that every single item meets a specific standard. Machines add the exact same amount of spice to every sausage, and ovens bake every croissant to the perfect golden brown color. This level of control ensures that you get the same delicious experience time and time again, no matter where or when you buy the product. In this exploration, we're going to pull back the curtain on this hidden world. We'll follow the journey of some of your favorite foods, from the moment they arrive at the factory doors to the second they are packed and shipped. We'll see how pineapples become juice, how wheat becomes pasta, and how dough becomes a flaky croissant. It's a tale of transformation, where simple ingredients are turned into culinary staples through the power of modern technology. So, prepare to be amazed by the ingenuity and scale of the modern food factory. It's a delicious adventure that starts right now. Let's start our journey in a sunny pineapple field. Did you know a single pineapple can take up to 2 years to grow? Once harvested, these ripe fruits are sent to the factory. First, they get a powerful shower from water jets and a good scrubbing to get them clean. Next, they travel on conveyor belts to giant rough rollers that crush them, squeezing out every last drop of sweet juice. This pulpy liquid then goes through filters to remove any solids, leaving behind pure, smooth juice. Finally, automated machines fill and cap thousands of bottles with precision, ready to bring a taste of the tropics to your breakfast table. Now let's move on to a pantry staple, pasta. This process begins with a special type of wheat called durum wheat, which is milled into semolina flour. In massive blending machines, this flour is mixed with water and other ingredients to form a stiff dough. The dough is kneaded thoroughly before being pressed through rollers that flatten it into thin, even sheets. After that, cutting machines or special molds called dies shape the pasta into all the forms we love, like spaghetti, fettuccine, or macaroni. The average person in the United States eats about 6 or 7 pounds of pasta every year, and these factories make it all possible. What about a crunchy snack like banana chips? The secret here is using green, unripe bananas. Their firm texture and lower sugar content are perfect for making a crispy chip. At the factory, machines peel the bananas with incredible speed. Then they are cut into perfectly uniform slices. These slices are washed before taking a dive into a large fryer filled with hot oil. Once they are golden and crispy, they move along a conveyor belt that drains the excess oil. The final step is seasoning, where they are tumbled with salt or other flavors before a high-tech machine portions them into bags. From the field to the factory, each of these foods undergoes a remarkable transformation. The journey from a whole pineapple to a bottle of juice, from a grain of wheat to a box of pasta, or from a green banana to a bag of chips, is a testament to human ingenuity. These automated processes ensure that the food is handled hygienically and efficiently, capturing the fresh flavors of the raw ingredients. It allows us to enjoy products from all over the world, bringing a diversity of tastes and textures right to our local stores, regardless of the season or our location. Welcome to the bakery, but on a massive scale. Making a perfect croissant is all about the layers, and factories have mastered this art. The process starts with a sheet of dough and a very generous layer of butter. A special machine called a laminator then folds the dough and butter over and over again. This creates hundreds of whisper-thin, alternating layers, which is the secret to a croissant's flaky texture. The layered dough is then cut into long strips and then perfect triangles by precise circular blades. It's a beautiful dance of machinery, all designed to replicate the careful work of a master baker. Once the triangles are cut, another automated machine rolls each one into that iconic crescent shape. Some of these bakery lines are so efficient they can produce hundreds of croissants every single minute. The shaped dough isn't baked right away. It first goes through a process called proofing. During this stage, the croissants rest in a warm, humid environment, which allows the dough to rise and develop a richer flavor. Sometimes they even get a light spray of an egg wash to ensure they bake to a beautiful, glossy golden brown in the factory's enormous ovens. Now, let's head over to the butcher's side of the factory to see how sausages are made. The process begins with fresh, boneless meat, which is fed into large grinders. Sometimes frozen meat is also used, as the low temperatures help improve the texture and shelf life. This ground meat then goes into a giant mixer. Here, a carefully selected blend of spices, herbs, and other flavorings are added. Interestingly, ice is often mixed in as well. The ice keeps the mixture cold, which allows for even blending and adds necessary moisture to the final product. After the meat mixture is perfectly blended, it's time to give it shape. The blend is piped into casings, which are often natural casings that have been soaked in water to make them pliable. Once filled, the long sausage links are twisted or tied to create individual portions. Depending on the type of sausage, they might then be hung on large racks to be dried or moved into a smoker. The smoking process not only adds a delicious, complex flavor, but also acts as a natural preservative. Finally, the finished sausages are separated, cooled, and sent to be packaged. In our fast-paced world, ready meals have become a modern convenience, and the way they are made is truly impressive. It all begins with cooking the components in huge batches. Imagine giant automated pots cooking hundreds of pounds of rice at once. Robotic arms lift these pots, drain the water, and even place the lids on for steaming. Once the rice is perfectly cooked, it is automatically dispensed into meal trays moving along a conveyor belt. This assembly line approach ensures that every single meal starts with the same perfect base, ready for the next delicious additions. Next, the other components are added with incredible precision. Whether it's pieces of crispy chicken, a medley of colorful vegetables, or a rich, savory gravy, each element is added in carefully measured portions. This isn't just about making the meal look good, it's about ensuring a balanced and consistent taste in every package. After all the ingredients are in place, the ready meals are often sent into a flash freezer. This process freezes them incredibly quickly, which locks in the freshness, flavor, and nutrients of the food, keeping it perfectly preserved until you're ready to heat it up. Of course, no meal is complete without dessert, and factories produce our favorite sweet treats with just as much ingenuity. Let's look at ice cream bars. Creamy, liquid ice cream is poured into molds, and a machine inserts a wooden stick into each one. The bars are then frozen solid, In a mesmerizing display of automation, robotic arms then pick up the frozen bars and dip them into a vat of melted chocolate, giving them that perfect crackly coating. For other treats, like ice cream sandwiches, machines precisely layer ice cream between two soft waffles or cookies, creating a perfect treat every time. From a complete frozen dinner to a simple ice cream bar, the final steps of production are all about preservation and presentation. After a ready meal is assembled or an ice cream treat is coated, it moves to a sealing station. Here, a machine applies an airtight film to keep it hygienic and fresh. A labeling station then adds all the important information, like the brand, ingredients, and expiration date. Finally, these products are boxed up and shipped out to grocery stores. The next time you grab a quick meal or a frozen dessert, take a moment to appreciate the incredible high-tech journey it took to get to you.